Hey guys, my name is Sahil and you are watching TechTuber and the topic today is very sensitive topic. It's a very serious topic I wanna discuss with you guys that you will find more than 100 articles on the topic that 95% of engineers, Indian engineers are incapable in their fields or they are not up to the mark, and Indian government as well as AICT and all the government bodies, all the educational bodies, colleges, universities are trying to find out that why this is happening in India. But as an engineering student, I felt something which is very serious and which needs to be changed because the main reason you have already read in the description, in the heading also, in the thumbnails also, that the 75% attendance. I think the 75% attendance rules is the main culprit which is killing that innovation, that innovative mind inside that engineers. Because when you are an engineering student, your daily life is like a job. It's a 9 to 6. Like the class is starting from 9 a.m. and it ends near around 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. and you come to your home or hostel, and then you take a nap, and then you start again for preparing for the next day lab copy and or other your internal exams and all. So that's a different topic. There are lots of things we have to do in educational sector, in engineering. That's a topic for another day, but the attendance factor is a main factor because we have to go to college every day to maintain that 75% attendance, and that is what it is killing the capability of an engineer to explore himself as well as explore the other fields apart from the educational sector. Like if you are an electrical engineer or mechanical engineer, you want to know programming or web development, whatever it is, you will not get time. At least for the first 3 years you will not get time for personal skill development, and which is the main reason that engineers are not up to the mark, engineers are not capable in their fields. Because if you see, an electrical engineer is not only an electrical engineer, he needs to know everything, especially in this era of computer science and IT industry. All the industries, even the grids, power grids are transferring into the smart grids. So you have to know the part of IoT and the computer science. So why, where they will explore these types of things? These are not included in their syllabus in BTech. So they are not getting the times for themselves. If you see, an average engineer's life is just exhausted. They spend their most of the time either in sleep, and which they really need, and otherwise they spend their time copying the assignments, lab copies, and attending the classes, and which is really, I am saying that it's too boring. You ask any engineer, they don't want to attend those classes because these are boring, these are not modern, these are, the topics are not modern, the teachers teaching techniques are not modern, the equipment is not modern. I don't know about the other colleges. At least for the small private colleges, the teaching quality is not up to the mark, so you will not get interest on that topics. And if you want to explore the other topics, other sectors of the engineering field, like programming, if you are an electrical engineer, you want to know programming, but you will not get times. And moreover, no one will encourage you, no one will encourage you to learn those topics and skip your classes. If you skip your classes, then they will say like I will deduct your marks and all, something like that. And there is a fear inside the engineers that if I don't attend those classes, if the 75% attendance is not cleared from my side, then the numbers or marks will be less, or they will not permit me to give the semester exams. There are lots of pressures regarding the 75% attendance. It's basically not giving the times to explore the engineers in their field as well as in other fields. So I think it should be not 75%, at least 50% is good, because the syllabus is already old for the, mainly for the core engineers, the syllabus is already old. And other thing is that if they want to know other sectors, they need time for themselves. They need time for studying in the, if they utilize the internet tools, they can learn anything. So they need basically times. And if you want to achieve that, if you want to make an engineer up to the mark, then yeah, 75% attendance is all okay. But give him the chance inside the college, into the college, give him a chance to explore himself apart from the classes. But if you go to college, there are only classes, labs, and you come to your home. There is no other sectors that you can explore. So I think this is the main problem we should fix. That 75% attendance is main issue, which is keeping that engineers into the small fields and not letting them explore the all the sectors. So thank you. If you like, if you agree this my topic, my words, then you can comment on that. And if you think other way, you can also comment that. It's a not only one reason. There are lots of reasons. I'm talking about the main reason I'm feeling that. You can comment on in the video your opinion, and do subscribe and share my channel.